Chapter 5: Work Schedules and Job Design by Vinis Locrida, Suzette Tan, Nina Tabios, Dizeltan. Four major dimensions of job design plus job specialization and job description. Job design. What is job design? It is the specification of the task activities, usually repeated on a regular basis associated with each particular job. Job design. A. Task activities need to be grouped in reasonably logical ways for each job. B. The way the jobs are configured. Work specialization is the degree to which the work necessary to achieve or organizational goals is broken down into various jobs. In work specialization, the tasks and organization are divided into separate jobs. Another term for this is division of labor. 1. Work specialization was seen as a way to make the most efficient use of workers' skills because workers would be placed in jobs according to their skills. 2. Other advantages of work specialization included improvement in employee skills at performing a task, more efficient employee. Number 3. Work specialization was viewed as a source of unending productivity improvement, and it was up to certain point. 4. The human diseconomies from work specialization included boredom, fatigue, stress, lowered productivity, poor quality of work, increased absenteeism, and higher job. There are three approaches to job design. First, job simplification is the process of configuring or designing jobs so that job holders have only a small number of narrow, repetitive activities to perform. A. Training new workers becomes relatively easy and workers becomes almost interchangeable. B. The advantages is that major production efficiency may be gained. C. The disadvantages are that if carried too far, job satisfaction may be destroyed by narrow, repetitive job involvement, enlargement, and routine. What is job involvement? Job involvement is defined as the measure of the degree to which employee is involved in his job and takes part in decision making. Example, Suzette and Venice job involvement scale has been used by corporations in order to gauge their employees' level for satisfaction. What is job enlargement? Increase in the job tasks and responsibilities to make a position more challenging. Sometimes a change in work task can add a much needed boost of enthusiasm due to the change in all activities and can improve morale. What is job rotation? Involves an employee changing positions within the same organization and eventually returning to their original position. It can refer to different types of job crafting, the physical and mental changes individuals make in the task or relation. Job embeddedness, the higher forces attaching people to their jobs. Ergonomics, the practice of matching machines to workers' requirements. Musculoskeletal disorder including carpal tunnel, cumulative trauma disorder, modified work schedules and job design. Modified work is any formal departure from traditional works and excluding shift. Compressed work week, a full-time work schedule that allows 40 hours for work in less than 5 days. Telecommuting, an arrangement with one's employees to use computer to perform work at home in the satellite office. Job sharing, a part-time and reduced time basis performance number of contingent worker, a temporary part-time worker.
Created using Powtoon.